Grandma. Go back to Grandma. No, we're not going to be lazy. We're not lazy. Yay. Walk back to Grandma. Go, Grandma Kate. Oh, you just did it. Walk to Grandma Kate. Go.
Taylor, come here. Come here. Come here.
Come
Come
see
here.
me.
Aww.
That's a good boy.
Aww. Taven, go, yay! Yay! Mm-hmm. That was cute.
Can you eat him?
That's cute.
Do you want something? Mama's got
Grandma, or Taven.
He always tries to grab my glasses, so be careful. Is that Cookie?
Okay.
Cookie?
good.
He says, mm.
Oh man.
Well, he made a big old mess with that cake.
Do what?
He made a big old mess with that cake.
That's what Barbara Jean said. Did you cut it for him?
I'm gonna cut.
Shoot, he freaking chopped that thing all up. Splattered it everywhere.
It was the biggest mess I've ever seen a 1-year-old make
I want a cookie.
with their... No, Raiden, you had candy corn instead.
Oh, no. I'm just never gonna